Alright guys, I got some pretty serious acquisitions here for my shop here. Obviously, as you can see, it's Beverly Shear time. Now I got the two different styles that they have to offer here. I've got the B2 model and I have the SS3 model. This is ready to cut up to 3/16 mild steel. This is ready to cut up to 10 gauge mild steel. So, alright, now let's talk about Beverly Shear for a little while here. They've recently been acquired by Mittler Brothers Machine Tool. Now, if you look at these name tags here, these nameplates, that was the old nameplate there. Chicago, Illinois, USA. But now it's being made by Mittler Brothers, Wright City, Missouri, USA. So Mittler Brothers acquired the Beverly Shear name and manufacturing process, and thank goodness they're a 100% U.S. company that makes all their tools and tooling in-house. Good stuff there. So I got this Beverly Shear here, the new one by Mittler Brothers, even though it's the exact same style and build. It's just being made by Mittler Brothers now. And this one right here is still, it was still made by the original owners out of Chicago, Illinois. So, yeah, I'd been eyeing them up for a while, and I finally said, enough's enough. Let's go ahead and add these to the shop. So, I got them from Trick Tools, top company to work with, and if you need to buy anything as far as fabrication tools, you have any questions, concerns, you get with those guys, they will take care of you. I got nothing but good things to say about Trick Tools. So, alright, with that, get a couple angles here. This is the hold down right here. So, come around back here. Same thing here. It's a serious cutting tool right there. But, alright, with that, if you have any questions, you know what to do. But either way, like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.